ஹலோ நண்பா. நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் லாஸ்ட் 2 வீக்ஸ்க்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் நம்ம ஃபினிக்ஸ் சேனலுக்கு புதுசாக இருந்தால் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். 26 September கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ். The Antyodaya Devas is observed on which day in India? September 26. With which country India formally launched Negotiation Comprehensive Economic Agreement CEPA with UAE? In Indian Constitution, the method of election of president has been taken from which country? Australia. How many Arjun tanks have been ordered by the Defence Minister of Indian Army? 118 tanks. World's highest electric vehicle charging station has been inaugurated at which state? At Himachal Pradesh. 27 September. India has made commitments to increase the renewable energy installed capacity about 450 gigawatts. Which country recognized Covishield vaccine against the coronavirus? Italy. In which state the Foundation for Development of Parashuram been laid? At Arunachal Pradesh. Which country has declared all the cryptocurrency transaction is illegal? China. Privatar Space is a new space startup co-founded by Alex partnership with Apple, including co-founder Steve Wozniak. Extra question of the day from GK. The International Day for Total Estimation of Nuclear Weapons is held on every year of September 26. 28 September. Which of the following has recently released the data deposits scheduled commercial bank March 2021? Reserve Bank of India. Supreme Court has introduced a new system of transferring e-authenticated copies from courts to prisons, named as FASTER. What is the minimum ticket size set by RBI for the issuance of securitization notes? Rupees 1 crore. Which bank partners with Paytm to launch co-branded credit cards in October 2021? HDFC Bank. Which city of India has ranked 23rd in the International Startup Hub ranking of 2021? Bengaluru. Extra question of the day from sports. Who has won the 2021 Russian Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton. 29 September. Which state government has given GI tag to Sujat Mehendi? Rajasthan government. Who has launched the Ayushman Bharat digital mission for the entire country? Prime Minister Modi. Which IIT institute has set up an Center for Excellence of Quantum Technologies COE? IIT Delhi. Who has assumed the post of Director General of Nation NCC? Lt General Gurpreet Singh. HAL had tied up with Alliance Air for deployment of civil Do-288 aircraft in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Extra question of the day from GK. Which country has become one of the last countries in Western Europe to legalize same-sex marriage? Switzerland. 30th September. What is the name of the third ever September cyclone which had developed in Bay of Bengal? Gulab. Who is appointed as the external auditor of International Energy Atomic Agency? GC Murmu. What is the theme of the World Heart Day 2021? Use heart to connect. Recently, a homemade rice wine named Judima in which state? In the state of Assam. Who represented India in Summit for Information and Democracy held at New York? Anurag Tagore. Extra question of the day, sports. Who has won the women's double title 2021 Ostrava Open WTA 500 tournament? Sania Mirza and Shuai Zhang. 1st October. Which of the state's force department has inaugurated the state's first planetum? Uttarakhand. In which country Yogi Adityanath has launched Nirbhaya Ek Pahal program under Mission Shakti Phase 3? Lucknow. What was the original duration of foreign trade policy which being currently implemented? From 2015 to 2020. What is the name of the tourism app recently launched by Delhi? Dekho Meri Delhi. Who is the winner of Ryder Cup 2021? US. Extra question of the day from Environment. Where is the National Institute of Biotech Stress Tolerance located? Raipur. 2nd October. Which bank is only left under regime? Central Bank of India. Fumio Kishida said to become the new PM of which country? Japan. How much amount was infused by the government in National Export Insurance Account (NEIA) scheme? 1650 crores. Who is the author of the book Chronicles from the Land of Happiest People from the Earth? Vol Soyinka. Which Indian conglomerate has acquired the financial service company DHFL? Parimal Enterprises. Extra question of the day from Economics. Who has topped the IIFL Wealth Forum India Rich List 2021? Mukesh Ambani. 3rd October. Who is the president of the US Business India Council (USBIC)? Nisha Desai Biswal. NABARD has a credit scheme for yak rearing in which state? At Andhra Pradesh. What is the total outlay for the Amrut 2.0 mission launched by Prime Minister Modi? 2.87 lakh crores. Who is appointed as the new CEO and MD of rating agency CRISII? Amish Mehta. India's first sports arbitration center has been unveiled in which city? At Ahmedabad. Extra question of the day from GK. When is World Smile Day observed? First Friday in October. 4th October. Which IIT institute has developed the first option of cornea plant? IIT Hyderabad. The world's highest Khadi national flag has recently been unveiled in which place? Ladakh. Who has recently inaugurated the Indian Pavilion at the Dubai Expo 2021? Piyush Goyal. Which of the following Vice Admiral has taken over as the Chief Hydrographer of GOI? Adit Arora. Which institution has approved 356.67 million loan to support expansion of Chennai Metro Rail? Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Extra question of the day from Sports. SV Sunil and Birendra Larka have recently announced retirement from which game? Hockey. 5th October. Which ministry has recently implemented the Electricity Rules 2021? Ministry of Power. Who has become the new president of Guinea? Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya. Name the Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change who has recently launched Wetlands of Indian portal. Mr. Bhupendra Yadav. Which company has recently acquired 100% stake in digital lending startup CreditMate? Paytm. The World Habitat Day is observed in which day globally? First Monday of October. Extra question of the day from GK. The week from October 4 to 10, 2021 is observed as World Space Week. 6th October. Name the PM of Ethiopia who has been elected for second 5-year term. Abiy Ahmed. In which state the widely grown rice variety Vadakolam has been given GI tag? At Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new PM of Japan? Fumio Kishida. Which team becomes the winner of Durand Cup 2021? FC Goa. Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya has sworn in the interim president of Guinea. Extra question from GK. When is Ganga River Dolphin Day observed in India? 5th October. What is the name of the cyclone that hit Oman and in offspring of the cyclone Gulab? Shaheen. Which country has successfully test-fired hypersonic Zircon missile? Russia. GIMEX 2021 is the 5th edition of annual bilateral maritime exercise of India with which country? Japan. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Insurance Major LIC? BC Patnaik. The month of October is observed annually as what? Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Extra question of the day from Sports. Who has won the Melt Water Champions Chess Tournament? Magnus Carlsen. 8th October. Potni di Ferro, which has collapsed recently, is suited in which country? Italy. Who is the MD of National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited? PM Nair. How many PM Mitra mega textile parks have been approved by the government to set up by the 5 years? 7. The Moody's Investor Service has recently revised the sovereign rating outlook of India to stable. What is the minimum net owned fund requirement of a company to operate as an asset reconstruction company? Rupees 2 crores. Extra question of the day from GK. The Mahababu Brahmaputra River Heritage Center has been inaugurated in which city? Gwalior. 9th October. Who had won the 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature? Abdul Razak Gurna. Swamitwa scheme is implemented by which ministry? Ministry of Panchayat Raj. What is the estimated GDP growth rate of Indian economy as per World Bank in the fiscal year 2021 to 2022? 8.3%. Who has topped the Forbes India Rich list of 2021? Mukesh Ambani. Which company has recently launched the post-pay solution based on buy now pay later BNPL platform? Bharat Pay. Extra question of the day from GK. The second Friday of October is dedicated to the celebration of which day annually? World Egg Day. ஸோ 2 வீக்ஸ்க்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான் நண்பா. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனல் புதுசாக இருந்தால் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.